This is a Hailong case battery for Yose Power, and I've managed to take the case off. I'm speaking as a novice, by the way, but just to tell you that I think the size and type of the screw is Phillips size 2. Although it could be a posi drive, but I'm pretty sure it's Phillips size 2. I thought it would be a posi, but a Phillips seems to fit better from what I've noticed. Because Phillips is the old type, that's the 1930s, and the posi drive is a improved version of it because it's got more flutes on it and they grip it better. But it seems like Phillips to me. I don't know why. Maybe it's cheaper. I really don't know why. Here's the screws. I mean, they look not very impressive to me. I've just been going by what others have been saying on YouTube or in comments on YouTube. One guy said that they were Phillips in a video, and a comment said that they were very shallow heads, easy to waste, and that's my biggest fear as well. So yeah, it took me a long time, but I started off with the wrong ones. I started up with posi drive size 1, then I went to Phillips size 1, and then I went to Phillips size 2, and that's where it clicked really. When I say clicked, I mean mentally. So here's a size 2 Phillips. That seems to be the fit to me. Posi drive does fit a bit though, but I think this is tighter. Here's posi drive, size 2. It does fit, but to me it slips a bit. I could be wrong, but I think it's Phillips. The only reason I'm making this video is because it's been so stressful and I can't find the information easily. Someone who knows what they're doing said in their video that it was Phillips, so that'll do. I don't know whether maybe hobbyists tend to go just to use Phillips anyway, I don't know, but yeah, Phillips seemed to be the best fit for me. I'm just saying the size here as well, size 2. I think, because I was using size 1 wrongly, I think. Alright, that's it. Do your own research. Goodbye.